What do we do when we start a video?
Hi, I'm Quincy.
And I'm Dad. And today we're going to be showing you two sets. What's this one? This one's set number 76104. The Hulkbuster Smash-Up. And this one is set number 76105, and it is the Hulkbuster Ultron Edition. So this one is ages 7 to 14, which she fits in, and this one is ages 14 plus, which I think I fit in. Do I fit in that age group? No, I'm not 14. Cool! I'm not old enough to build this. Unfortunately, they smushed my box a little bit when they shipped it because we ordered this online. But we're going to have... Should we have a race? I don't think it's fair, but should we do it?
Only if you cut this open.
Okay. Alright, let's open up some of these boxes. So...
You're probably going to build faster than me.
This one... What do we have, Quince?
Decals.
Oh, not decals. What else? Instruction manual.
We have...
How many bags?
4.
So 1, 2...
I'm probably going to win Quincy.
3, 4. And then...
I can put on my own detail.
Okay, hold on.
Pretty good.
You can't start.
I don't want to start.
Alright.
First, can I still open one?
No, you have to wait. Let's see what's in this box first. Okay, in this box...
Decals! You have more decals!
we have a much bigger manual. And we have...
And more decals.
An unnumbered box. Where's number 1? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
and 7, 8, 9,
9. Should we build? Okay. Okay, everybody, we're done. And Quincy lost. Haha. Okay, killing everything. Okay, here is the the Ultron Edition one. Iron Man's
the old hand.
pretty cool. Down here, there are some little ankle pieces that kept popping off anytime I would move the leg. So I actually put a small piece behind it, just a single stud. It'd be better to have a 1x2 like this to put behind it because they just keep popping off because the legs do open up like that and you can reposition them. The arms move, the head opens up, there's Iron Man inside. There is a light brick if you push on the back here.
And
did it light up?
Glow in the dark.
Yep. For his chest, there are the robot arms here. There's a little mini car. There's a fire extinguisher, a stand for Iron Man when he's on his own. And there is an extra arm on this
Glow in the dark brick.
mechanical arm, so you can replace the more of the cannon arm on this and just have him look like the Rail Edition. So Quincy, tell us about you.
Glow in the dark.
And there are this piece right here, and I think the white pieces in the back right here. These are all actually glow in the dark Lego pieces.
No, that one does glow.
Okay, tell them about yours.
This one is the mini one, but it's that one. And this is like a bomb shooter, and
Put down here.
There's like the
Infinity Stone.
Infinity Stone in there that she or he is trying to steal. There's a spider guy.
So that is Outrider.
Outrider.
This guy right here is Outrider.
This is Proxima.
This is Proxima Midnight. Then there's the Falcon with his wings. And then Bruce Banner is actually inside. So I think it's funny that the Hulk is inside the Hulkbuster.
There's a Hulkbuster?
This is what the Hulkbuster is. This is the big Iron Man to fight the Hulk if he gets out of control. So we really like these sets. This one is actually a really good value because it's not too expensive. It comes with 4 minifigures that are really cool. It comes with the bomb. Oh no, it actually comes with 4 minifigures. This one's actually really cool too. The only thing I don't like about it, again, like I mentioned the ankle pieces, is when he's standing in an angle, and either I just can't figure out how to straighten him up or he doesn't straighten up because the legs don't bend. He does rotate this way.
No, he can rotate.
And the arms rotate. I know. He does have the little ports in the back for his leg jets right here that come up. It's still pretty cool either way. So, anyways, did you like that one, Quince? Okay. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys. The dark light up. I never knew those were a thing.